The Midnight Ride of Paul Revere, retold by Brett and Kip.
Listen, my children, and you shall hear of the midnight ride of Paul Revere. On April 18th in 1775, no one remembers this day and year.
He told his friend, "If the British come by land, hang one lantern in the highest part of the church. If they come by sea, hang two lanterns. I'll be on the other shore, ready to ride through every village."
Good night, he said. Then he quietly rode away. Just as the moon rose over the bay, Paul saw a British ship, and it was super big.
Meanwhile, his friend listens and looks until he heard British soldiers marching to their boats. Then his friend climbed the tower. When he got to the top, he startled a group of pigeons.
Meanwhile, Paul waits impatiently, wanting to get out and ride. Paul looked, and he saw a glimmer, but he waits to see if a second comes, and it does.
Then he goes very fast because he knew the fate of a nation was all up to him.
It was 12 at night when Paul crossed the bridge into Medford.
It was 1 by the village clock when Paul galloped into Lexington.
It was 2 by the village clock when he came to the Concord Bridge.
You know the rest in the books you have read, how the British regulars fired, then ran away.
So through the night, Paul Revere rode. He yelled and knocked at every house and spread the midnight message of Paul Revere.